Good morning everyone, or good evening, or good night, or whatever time you're watching this video. Now, I know that you guys love skincare experiments, you guys love watching those videos, so you know what? I'm back with another one. So last time I tried the Glycolic Acid Toner from the Ordinary, and you guys wanted me to try the Retinol. So in this video, I'm going to be trying the Retinol from the Ordinary in 0.2% in Squalane. I'm going to be applying this on my face for 7 days straight. Now I'm going to tell you guys the difference, because I have used this before, but only for a couple of days, and then I stopped again because I forgot about it. That's how I usually am with all of my stuff, okay? So anyways, now I'm gonna be consistent. I'm gonna apply this for 7 days straight and see how well this works for me. Now, retinol is actually very popular. It's trendy and it's very famous for every single issue you have with your skin. And literally every celebrity, every blogger, every influencer uses retinol in their skincare routine. And here's why. Let me tell you guys the benefits of retinol. Number 1, it reduces wrinkles. Number 2, it smooths your skin. Number 3, it brightens dull skin by exfoliating, which results in brighter and smoother skin. It also regulates oily skin and it also minimizes breakouts. Retinol also helps fade dark spots or sunspots, and it's also great for hyperpigmentation. And if you're someone like me who has complexion problems like uneven skin tone, retinol is the key. And it's also great for acne. Now, you must have already heard like 80% of the general skincare problems that people have, and basically retinol could fix all of that. Now, retinol is something super strong, so you need to be really careful with it. So throughout this video, I'll tell you guys what not to do, what to do, and how to use it throughout this video. So yeah, anyways, without further ado, let's get right into this video. I'm pretty excited because I love retinol, okay? I just love it without using it much because everyone just loves it. But let's see if this is actually a great product or not. So anyways, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so it is day 1 of applying retinol. I got my retinol right over here. Let's go ahead. Okay, first let me just tie my hair. Okay, hair is out of the face. We are ready to start. I got my retinol over here. Honestly, 2 to 3 drops are fine, so I use 2 to 3 drops or 4, I don't remember. So yeah. Okay, so I've got my retinol in. Retinol. Why do I keep saying retinol? So I've got my retinol in, and this is how my face looks. It looks pretty glowy. I love when my face looks this glowy. It just looks so cute and like, you know, glass skin type of vibe. So I love this. Okay, you guys, so it is day 2. What do I think about the first day? I definitely did wake up with not dry skin. Usually I wake up with like dry skin or my skin is a little flaky, but today, which is day 2 by the way, I woke up with glowy skin. Like my face was just so smooth and so silky and it was just really soft. So I'm going on for day 2 now. That was definitely more than 3 drops, but whatever. I love how my skin looks after applying this retinol. Okay, you guys, so it is day 3 of applying retinol. I just applied deodorant. So let's go, day 3. Let's try to get 3 drops this time, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3. We got 3 drops, but I feel like it's so less. I'm just gonna add 1 more. That was definitely not 1 more, but whatever.
Retinol is very strong. If you are a beginner, I would recommend you to start with just 1 night a week for 1 week, and then 2 nights a week for 2 weeks, then 3 nights a week for 3 weeks.
So I'm just gonna wait for my skin to absorb before moving forward with my skincare routine. Okay, you guys, so it is day 4. Yes, I took a shower. I'm not supposed to be having showers so late, but whatever. I'm not sure if you guys could see this, but I'm like breaking out like this tiny one. Come on, focus. As you can see, there's like little blood as well. This one over here, and this is how the rest of my skin looks. It doesn't look that great. I don't really know why this is happening. Maybe because of the retinol. Maybe it's just way too strong and I'm applying way too much. So today I'm actually going to stick to just 2 to 3 drops because I don't want to break out. And you know, there is something called the purging phase, and I don't want to go through it, even though it's really good, but I don't want to go through it.
The purging phase is not a bad thing. It is actually a good thing. It just means that your skin is adjusting to the new product and preserving with the product, and it will eventually make your skin look much better. So the purging phase is actually a good thing, so don't think of it as a bad thing.
Okay guys, so it is a brand new day and we're gonna apply this retinol. Also, you guys need to be careful because retinol does make your skin super sensitive and you don't want to get burnt. So always make sure you wear your sunscreen in the morning and just try to stay away from the sun because this thing makes your skin super sensitive to the sun and heat. So just letting you know, be careful. Okay, you guys, it's a brand new day. I look crazy and I look really tired because I just moved into my new apartment and everything is just so messy. But I'm not going to let it stop me from doing my skincare routine and my challenge, you know? So I'm gonna apply my retinol and I feel like I'm gonna break out, and I feel like I'm already breaking out because of the stress and frustration I'm going through right now. So, yeah.
Now, I know a lot of you guys are gonna ask me where I got it from. I actually got it from Dubai from a website called Look Fantastic AE, but you can also get it from Beauty Bay or from the original site.
Okay, so I am done for today. I love how glowy my skin looks after applying the retinol. So I'm just gonna continue with the rest of my skincare routine, and yeah. Okay guys, so it is the last day, which is great because I get to tell you guys what I feel, how I feel, and my opinions on the Ordinary Retinol. So this is the last day, so let's go. Also, because I've been so busy the past couple of days, I have been not, wearing my sunscreen, which is really bad, by the way. Like, you should never do that. Always wear your sunscreen, but I completely forgot about it because I've been so busy, but I also didn't go out at the same time. So yeah, anyways, that's about it for day 7, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with the results. I'll let you guys know my honest opinions and how I feel about this product. Let's go. So we have reached the end of this challenge. What do I honestly think? So I'm just gonna let you guys look at my face for a while. So this is how my skin looks right now. As you can see, there are no breakouts. Literally nothing. So what do I think about the Ordinary Retinol? Well, here's one thing that I really loved about this product is that it made my skin so glowy. Okay, this product instantly makes your face look glowy, but if you use it overnight and like you wake up the next morning, your face just looks so pretty. It just looks so wow. Okay, if you don't wash your face and if you just apply your makeup would just look so good. That's definitely my favorite thing about this, is that it makes my face look really glowy. Second thing, you guys remember that around day 5 or day 4 I had a breakout, like a tiny breakout, like somewhere around this area, and I thought I was purging. I thought I was gonna break out, but as you can see, no breakouts at all. I think it was this one, so it didn't turn into a pimple. So yeah, but I feel like it left like a tiny scar, but it didn't turn into a pimple, so that's great. Other than that, as you can see, even my hyperpigmentation is not that visible. Usually, like especially in the mornings, I could actually see my skin is usually very flaky or like just dry, and my hyperpigmentation is way more visible. But after using this for 7 days straight, my skin actually looks way better. My hyperpigmentation is not that visible. Okay, and even throughout the day, my skin did not turn dry or like, the hyperpigmentation didn't get more visible, in the mornings and the evenings. Like, it just looked super glowy, but in the morning especially, it just looked way more glowier. So other than that, I didn't really see any other, changes. And also, I didn't really have very bad skin to begin with. I didn't have acne, so I can't really, give my opinions on it. And I really think this is a great product. So far, the Ordinary products have been great for my skin, and I also want to try out different products from the Ordinary. Let me know what product do you want me to try in my next video, and I would love to make them. Is this a buy or not? It's definitely a buy. Is it worth it? Definitely yes. I would give this retinol a 10 out of 10, actually 11 out of 10. So I would definitely recommend this to you guys. Also, this video is not sponsored at all. This is my honest opinion on this product. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think. If you had a different experience from mine, or if you had the same experience, let me know in the comment section down below. It would really help others who are watching this video. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and let me know what other videos you guys would love to see in the comment section down below. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.